here, let's go back.
Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? In today's video, I have an open invitation for you. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Okay, I'm back. And the invitation is for you to join us in creating a vision board for 2020. Yes, I started hosting this challenge back in 2018 and had a lot of participation that first time. Last year, not so much. So this year, I'm hoping to have a lot of participation. And you say, Miss V, what is a vision board? Let me tell you. A vision board is just you simply setting goals for yourself, for your business, for your life, and just putting them down on paper, or you can make a Pinterest board with all your goals. You can put it down. You can get a one of those foam boards from the Dollar Tree, and just cut out a picture from a magazine, or you can print them off Google, whatever, to symbolize what your goals are. Say you want to buy a house, so you find this big beautiful house on one of the real estate websites. Just print it out and put it on the board so you can visually see it. That's why it's called a vision board, something that you can see, because most humans are visual. I know I am. That's why I like doing the vision board. So it's just simply putting down your goals, and you can do it pertaining to your personal goals. You can do all kind of goals, whatever kind of goals you have for yourself that you don't mind sharing. That's what you talk about in your video. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you what Miss V is going to talk about. I'm going to do mine a little different. In the past 2 years, I've used this cork board. Let me show you. It's on the back of my door in my craft room. Hold on. So this is my vision board from 2019. And as you can see, it just has different things that I was working on. And so, I'm on a debt-free journey. So, of course, finances were in order. That's why I have the money. And then I have that Dove soap, foam soap, to take better care of my skin. And game night for memories, family fun night. Get serious about my makeup, which I love, and relax more by reading books, keeping the stress down. Then all kind of different stuff. And this is just some hair I cut out to be take better care of myself. Of my natural hair. So this cork board, I will be using it again. What I like about it, you can just take, of course, this is kind of sticky, so I can just take all these little things off with no problem. See, I just take that off and just put the next one on, and it sticks. So that's my board. So for this year, I'm going to be focusing on self-love. Yes, loving myself. I already love myself, but that's going to be my focus for 2020. Because when you love yourself, you can love somebody else properly. I'm not saying just uttering the words. Because to me, like self-love, if I'm going to love somebody else and help take care of somebody else, I got to take care of myself first. So I got to get serious about myself. So that's what Miss V's doing for her goals for 2020. And this year, last year, the first year I did it solo. The second year I had a co-host, the beautiful Denise Jordan over at This and That with Denise Jordan. And this year I have another co-host. It is the beautiful Karen Deneen of Karen Deneen's channel. So the rules are simple. They're just like anybody else's rules for challenges. I'm just going to read them off to you. Of course, create your vision board any way you like. It can be digital. You can just state your goals in your video. You can do a Pinterest board. You can get a large picture frame and and pin your goals in there. You can use a cork board like Miss V. You can use a poster board. Whatever you like. Just be creative. Something that's going to be visual that you can keep in your home. And if you want digital, of course, you will keep it stored in your phone or on your computer. So that's that. Create the vision board, sharing your goal for 2020, and try to make your goals realistic. Number 2, we're going to upload our videos on January the 2nd, 2020 at 7 p.m. 7 p.m. And I would like for you to title your board, your challenge, 2020 vision board challenge. 2020. You see that? 2020 vision board challenge, people. And what else? Subscribe, of course, to both mine and Karen Denise's channel, and mention both our channels in your video and link the playlist. And so the reason why I like to do the vision board challenge, because it really holds me accountable and you too, because sometimes, you know, during the year when I'm in my craft room, you know, I may have slacked on my goals, and I'll look at, when I close the door, I can see the back of that board, and I'll be like, I need to go ahead and schedule a family night, because that's really something I want to work on. You know what I'm saying? Because I can visually see it on the back of that board. You get so busy, you forget what's important. So that's why I like to do a vision board, mainly because it holds you accountable. And I am a goal-oriented person, so that's why I love the vision board. So that's it with me rambling. If this is your first time seeing my face, welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Mrs Vee. I'm saving with Mrs Vee. And so my channel focuses on budget-friendly ideas, DIYs that help you with home decor or home repairs, anything like that I'm not a carpenter or anything, but I can do. So if you're interested in budget-friendly content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button at the bottom of the screen. Give me a comment. Let me know if you've ever created a vision board. And if you have, are you going to participate in this one? You know, and what are some of your goals that you don't mind sharing in the comment section? So give me a thumbs up and share this with anybody who you think will be interested. And yes, my background is a little busy because I'm in my craft room. So this is appropriate for this video because Miss V is in her craft room. Just in case somebody was looking, I just want to let you know this is a craft desk. This is not my office desk. So that's it. This is Miss V. I'm gonna continue to show you love, and I'm always help you save on some of the things you need to get some of the things you want. And guess what, y'all? Miss V is a sassy wife. I am the sassy wife. Caring, loving, hardworking, loyal, but sassy. What are you? Let me know in the comment section. So y'all have a good day. See y'all on January the 20th with your 2020 vision, even though I don't have 2020 vision because I wear glasses. But see you then.